Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to Lesson 6 Composition Project Point 1, where we're setting up shop for our third composition project. So, you're going to choose a tune that you already did from List 5 or List 6. So I'll do Noël Nouvelet, which isn't actually on either list because I did it for our Dorian tune. So you don't need to watch me write the tune out, but I will do that. All right, great. We got ourselves a tune. So now we're going to go ahead and write in our chord symbols and chords that we had from, either ear tune 5 or ear tune 6. So if you recall, I did cheat a little bit with a 4 chord, but yours should just be 1s and flat 7s. So I'll go ahead and write those in. And yeah, pretty straightforward here. And then we're going to go ahead and write in the chords. So as a reminder, we get all the chord tones, and then the stem goes along with the furthest from the center, so that's the furthest, so it's going to be a down stem, that sort of thing. If you do have a dot, I don't here, but if you do have a dotted half note or such, then it's going to go on all 3 of the note heads. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then also, that's not the right chord, we are going to want to mark all of the non-chord tones. So looking up here, chord tones, chord tones, chord tones. Okay, so that's not a chord tone, this A, and then this F. So taken individually, neither of those is a type that we've talked about because there's like this weird jump in the middle. However, they really do function like chord tones that we've talked about, even if it doesn't quite fit the exact definition. So in this case, we have G, G, A, D, D, D. So this is kind of like an escape tone where it goes, and then da, da, and then G, G, F, E, D. That's not the right pitches. Da, 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 da. So that's really like a passing tone. It just kind of gets interrupted. So you could claim that these function as an escape tone and a passing tone, or you could just say X for both of them, and that's fine. Clear passing tone here, clear nothing here, so that's an X, and then another passing tone. That's what's going on. And then the last thing we got to do is create a piano texture. I think that a stride piano and half notes might be effective here. Boom, bom, bottle, doot, chord, root, chord, root, chord. I think that would be cool. So the way we're going to do that is just give ourselves a root in octaves. Now that's the furthest away, so it's going to be an up stem. And then we just copy the chord. Boom. Root and half note, copy the chord. You get the idea. So that's what we're doing to set up shop. And we will see you next time.